Hello, everybody. Good morning. This is Mandarin Chinese Easy. And today, I am going to teach you in the bus station or railway station. Now, follow me. Hi, is this seat available? 你好，这个位置有人坐吗？你好，这个位置，这个座位有人坐吗？座位 means seats. 有人坐吗？That means have somebody to sit here. So you can say, is this seat available? 你好，这个座位有人坐吗 ？I think nobody. 我想应该没有人。没有人 nobody. Thanks, I'm waiting for the train to Beijing at 9 a.m. Where are you from? 谢谢，我在等9点到北京的火车。你去哪儿呢？谢谢，我在等9点到北京的火车。你去哪儿呢？ Such a coincidence. We are the same train. 真是太巧了，我们同一列火车。真是太巧了，我们同一列火车。Really? What's your seat number? 真的吗？你座位几号？真的吗？你座位几号？ Number 5 is second row. And you? 第2排5号，你呢？第2排5号，你呢？ Number 10 is third row. 我第3排10号，我第3排10号。Would you please help me take care of my luggage? I'm going to the toilet. 你能帮我照看下行李吗？我去下洗手间。你能帮我照看下行李吗？我去下洗手间。No problem. 没问题。Thank you very much. 非常感谢。Now, everybody, this is today's lesson. And now we're going to make small practice. And here we go.
您好，这个座位有人坐吗？
我想应该没有人。
谢谢，我在等9点到北京的火车。你去哪呢？
真是太巧了，我们同一列火车。
真的吗？你座位几号？
第2排5号，你呢？
我第3排10号。
你能帮我照看下行李吗？我去下洗手间。
没问题。
非常感谢。Now, everybody, this is the lesson. And follow me. I will teach you how to speak Chinese in a very easiest and funniest way. You will think learning Chinese is super easy. Okay, this is today's lesson. Now, I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.